Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock on him, make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work come in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's good everyone? Today I got a new video for y'all. Gonna be doing a rebuild on this YZ85. It also needs some little things like foot peg springs, rear brake, mount, sprocket. Basically, I'm gonna just get the build on for y'all. But yeah, man, so far, all I'm doing is the top end. I'm changing up the plastics. I'm gonna clean up the frame and stuff. I cleaned up most of the motor and all. But of course, when you have the gas tank and everything on, it hides all the dirt and stuff. So I'm gonna do the top end first and the clutch. I'm gonna do them, and then once the motor's all sealed, then I'm gonna change the plastics, clean everything up, because that's what makes the most sense. But yeah, man, let's just not waste any more time. Let's just get right into the top end. I might clean up the cylinder a little bit, and then I'll do the top end. All right, so in this box we got clutches and clutch plates, gasket kit, plastic. Plastic is the majority of it. That's plastic. Grips. We got a side cover, you know, keep things fresh. Piston, rebuild. And I believe these are the spring for the brake, the washer for the brake, and the gaskets for the rear brake pedal, and then the springs for the brakes. So let's get into it. Oh, I also have the barrel here too. This is what I need. Piston. Alright, barrel. First thing first, wrist pin bearing. OEM. I feel like that's best. A lot of kits don't come with them, and I feel like that's because they know that the OEM is the best that you should run, because it's what's for the bike. Now check the direction. See, arrow to the front. It tells you which way to put the piston on. Now, there we go. Because definitely don't want any of that in the bottom end. That is for sure. Now we're going to a little bit of 2-stroke to be lubricated. Make sure your gasket surface is clean. Alright, like that's the gasket right there. There we go. There are clutches. Y'all, just the final product. Y'all can see this joint look way better. I had to put little zip ties on this front brake routing hose because this front brake is a little different than the 2021. I believe the 19 and higher, they changed the setup of the fork, so it's routed different. That's why it has these clamps here, because normally the line would be held by that, but unfortunately That's not how it works on the 18 and older, because it was ran under, and then it has like a little mounting system. Let's see if I can show it. You can see right there where the line comes up. You see that's where it comes up into the John right there. But yeah, as y'all can see, got a new fresh cover, new plastics, new graphics, new piston, top end. I also put a new cylinder on. I didn't show it in the video, but I tried the other cylinder and it was beat up and this joint was not trying to start. So I cut the video short on that because it was just a waste of time. It was pretty much the old cylinder, basically just the same shit, but I put a new cylinder on. I did a new tube. That joint was popped as well. The tires are decent, you know, if you're riding street, whatever, but probably if you want to ride dirt, you should get some new tires. I did a new sprocket as well. That joint was cooked. What else did I do? I did do foot peg springs, but it didn't give me the exact result I wanted. I'm thinking that either these foot pegs are like aftermarket, or these little foot peg johns, they need to be like squished a little tighter because it just rattles a little bit. And then I did the rear brake spring, I did the rear brake grommets, mounted this up. I put some new pads on as well. It has a it has a Pro Circuit R304, I believe it's called. Some new grips, like I said. I think that's it. Bike first kick. Y'all know the drill. Breaks in a little easier. As y'all see, man, ready to go. Give me 2300. This one has bill of sale, and I'm in the Philly area. If y'all want it, y'all can come and get it. Make sure y'all DM me. Step bikes for sale right here. Yeah, man. Ready for one of y'all. Yeah, bitch.